Yes, peeps, Facebook massive and YouTube massive. You don't know, say it's the boy Dirty Berry, and we're here for another Dirty Berry show episode. We have about 3 topics basically for to talk about today. But you know, some can't do this alone, so I get 2 co-hosts. So I'm gonna come in and introduce myself.
Hey guys, I'm Kimmy K.
And you don't know, this is Xavier. So just stay tuned and see what we have planned for you.
Check it. So we're back. I know the first topic we're going to talk about today is about the video circulating on Facebook where this man beat up this woman. She gets some crazy box and stuff.
Yes, you broke on the bus on the blood clot, man. Yes, you bust on the bum clot, chain. Eh? Hey, girl. Look out for me.
Anything go there?
Well, seriously, I've seen the video and trust me, it was really pretty,
That
I
is
tell
abuse.
you. And if you know, say them stuff really happening in Jamaica, it's just really bad.
Not being a feminist, guys, but that man infidel.
I think him serious. I think the some there is in St. Catherine. St. Catherine is where the place that, and you see the little boy in there. As almost wants to play ganja or something like that.
No, you know, me never really see that.
And the last part where the woman gets some, but me I say, she took up the stone, she could have fling it and she could have run from a long time.
No, the thing is, cause she stand up the time the man beat her just like that. She should just run her or something. You mean, and people
Like,
in the community see
Is that the woman she ugly bad though. She really ugly. But you see that? Really? No, me look on her, me say woman that look like some.
No, but what was the guy beating her for?
Apparently some chain, something like him. You know, the video
Is our boyfriend?
Yeah, it's our boyfriend. And basically she accused him about something about the chain, but look how the girl look pop my chain, and apparently me tell her to do something from morning. Probably tell her to go run some errand and she never do it, and then she come and get attitude.
You know,
but then she was the one, cause look, from the video you can see that she was withstanding the whole thing.
Yeah.
So I guess because of the whole Jamaican culture, it goes back to
awareness needs to be given on domestic abuse. I mean, I haven't done any research, guys. But I can tell you that in my estimation, I think 6 out of 10, you know, women go through domestic abuse, and it's hidden. It's not, you know, it's not. It's basically.
You're a feminist, Kim. You're a feminist.
It's locked away, and I think we need to, like, you know, motivate these women, empower them, because domestic abuse is just not cool, you know.
Anyway, next topic we're talking about is the Chris Brown incident.
Yeah, he was provoked. I think he has an anger management issue, but he was provoked. That lady should have get slapped in her face.
Here, you know, we just say a while ago, no, you're
Okay,
abuse.
no.
No, you just make up your mind. You can make up your mind.
No, okay, he's there to promote his album.
Yeah,
and she's like, Rihanna this, Rihanna that. Like, what the hell?
Yeah,
Rihanna is the
these old stories, we're just tired of all of these things. So we just people just move beyond that and just, you know, get some new stuff. So I guess they need to be more creative than, you know, they, you know,
what
give the media, you get me?
What him got the people in place come shut down the window?
Was he charged by the way?
I don't know. Got the people in place come shut down the window. That's all I know.
But when you get some more scoop on that still.
Next something I know.
Shams, it's tomorrow, right?
Jago win, trust me, Jago.
No.
Jago
win.
Wait, is that tomorrow?
That's next week in April.
No, next week. Next week.
April.
Well, you know, guys, Calabar all the way, C-Bar, woo!
Move from here. No, Jago, alright. See, that me never got Jago still, but you know, you still got Catherine some represent for Jago.
Excelsior.
Excelsior now Winberry.
Excelsior and Jago have the same color.
Green.
Some have the green and yellow, some have carried the same way. Big up yourself, Excelsior.
So to you, cameraman, where we are represent?
Judges.
Lips are sealed.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, so after this, we're coming back and we're talking about the top 10 things that people badmine people for.
So stay tuned.
We're talking about the top 10 things that people badmine people for. Not top 10, I like top 7.
Yeah, 7.
And number 7 is the people them with a BlackBerry, people them who lose a BlackBerry, and then get a
BlackBerry.
I don't know so many things about that.
Who can afford put on them service every month?
Nobody's wickedness, because me now a BlackBerry, I mean badmine the people them who lose them
but
BlackBerry.
you need to upgrade.
Wait now, they've lose them BlackBerry Monday, and by Tuesday them get back a new BlackBerry. Now tell me that, no, you have a banana for that? Alright.
Maybe.
So catch now Blackberry can't go. The number 6 thing now, the number 6 things where it's supposed to Badmine people for. It's for all the people them who they call it. You know if I drive it,
yeah,
and
man,
then
you walk.
I work with them stay and you them go to the same place
and them splash you.
And you come and you come both them up and then when I pick you up. All them something there stuff where it's supposed to Badmine people for.
Number 5 reason why someone Badmine another person is persons who get better grades. Guys and even here at UA.
Yeah.
You know, persons who get the A plus and the B plus.
And all them something that yeah, struggle
you
civic and get a part.
Something you just upon the D line, but boy, you know, struggle the same way. So
and even at school, even at primary school.
I don't want to know with the IGP.
Yeah, 4.0, right?
What the two Badmine.
Alright. Coming up in number 4 position, you know, persons who have utter and better body. You know, people who look like Yendi, you know, the Yendi face, the Lisa, so you say you have the Yendi face or the Yendi, no? Alright.
Me Badmine people.
Alright.
Really committed boyfriends and always flaunting it, you know, that can cause a little jealousy and that's a bad mind.
Make sure you not stay next to me.
No.
No, but really, have some people when them in love, them come in front of you flat.
Yeah, that's true. So you would think they just feel like, boy, the world end.
Especially when you're friends with them and them are flat in their face.
Yeah, very.
No, thirdly, the girls with the boyfriends that, you know, they're taking care of them, shopping, school fee, basically minding them.
Yeah. And you're when I spend my
well, you guys don't know that, right?
You know that.
I'm just
don't know that.
Trust me, we may very well know.
What else will happen to something there? I don't really remember right now.
Well, but number 1
wait, and number 1 is number 2, yeah?
Yeah.
Number 2?
Yeah, we're number 2.
We're number 2?
Yeah.
Really, I'm more fast.
Number 1, guys, listen up. This is for the girls who always have a boyfriend and the other girls at the back burner. Them always lonely, always single, always, you know, them can't go on VIP. Them not gonna work for Valentine's. You get what I'm saying?
So them feel that way, right?
Yeah. You know what, you always have a boyfriend, you know, and always going out and stuff like that. So that is the number 1 reason.
Have it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Bear Show episode. Yeah, we have nobody for big up on all them something there.
Wait, not time we
oh yeah,
the co-host.
Big up the Facebook, the Twitter, the YouTube peeps. You know, you keep the show going, so big one up straight.
And anybody else who may leave out, or big up my mother.
The cameraman, Matthew.
Big up, right? We're out.
You're making me nervous.
Ready?
Oh, if you make you nervous, you're going to do stuff in millions of people.
Stuff like that. So that is the number 1 reason.
So guys, this is seeing that is happening.
On a serious note, guys, I think more exposure. Whoa.
A bloopers right here, can't say.
Yeah. Okay.
But my thing is that the woman showed up the bad door.